Hi guys, it's Tyler from Bear. I've got this lovely Ford GT in front of me and we're going to go over it with our Clawless quick detailer. All you got to do is give it a good shake, spray on the surface that you're going to cover and give it a good wipe off. Give it a good buff and you're done. So halfway through using the quick detailer on the GT, ready for the photo shoot. Alright guys, the car is now looking flawless thanks to Clawless. Now let's go to the shoot. Hi guys, it's Tyler from Bear. I've got a lovely McLaren GT behind me that's come in for the Bear treatment. Carry on guys. Now the guys have rinsed off the McLaren, it's now time for our OG snow foam. Now the McLaren's covered in snow foam, we've got to let it sit for 5 minutes before washing it off. Now OG's been rinsed off, it's time for Ooze, our wheel cleaner, and Fuzz, our shampoo. Now the car has been cleaned and dried with Bear products, it's time for bamboo spray wax. Right guys, check out this Ford GT going into track mode. Oh, amazing.